Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you the best tips and tricks for Galaxy A55 5G. So firstly guys, the first feature is if you want to hide any application from your menu, you can do it very easily. So just go to the three dot option here and then click to settings. So in this section, we have an option of a hide app on home and app screen. So just tap here and these are all the application of your mobile phone. So let's suppose I want to hide the Facebook. So I'm just tapping on Facebook, gallery also, and then click done. Now go back, and as you guys see, the gallery and Facebook is now hide. So if you want to hide any application, you can hide it like this. And if you want to unhide this, so just go to the setting again, tap here and cancel the image and then click done, so that your apps will be now appear here. So this one is the first trick. Second is we can customize the lock screen also in Galaxy A55 5G. Just long press on the lock screen here. As you guys see, we have a clock style, so you can change up the clock style. You can set a calendar also in the place of clock. If we're talking about the widgets, so yes, we can change up the widgets also. We can add the widget also. And if you're talking about the contact information, you can set up a contact information also. Like set it inside, like set anything like John Mobile. Then click to done. As you guys see, the contact information is now safe. We can also change up the applications here, shortcuts application from here. Like the Chrome is now set. If I tap camera and change it to the calculator, so that the calculator is now appear. So this one is the second tips and tricks. If we're talking about the third one, guys, if you want a camera, so we can use a double tap power button to enable the camera, and I'm telling you the setting for this also. So you have to go to the settings here, scroll down and then comes to advanced feature. In this section we have an option of a side button, so just tap here and tap on quick launch camera. If you want to change it up, so you can go to open app and you can select anything else also, like flashlight, so that if you double press on the power button, the torchlight will be appear like this, or the torchlight will be enabled. So this one is a third tips and tricks. Guys, if you're talking about the fourth feature, which is very important, so that one is basically long screenshot. If you're talking about the long screenshot, so just take the screenshot here and then press this icon, again press this icon, and then again press this icon, so that it will be cover all your screen data and all the thing which you want to take the screenshot. As you guys see, this is how we take the long screenshot in Galaxy A55 5G. So these are all the important tips and tricks of Galaxy A55 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.